When identity stabilizes, life becomes natural. One of the biggest misunderstandings about manifestation is the idea that you must constantly manage your thoughts, emotions, and mindset in order for life to improve. Visualize every day. Repeat affirmations morning and night. Monitor every negative thought. For a lot of people, this becomes exhausting, and eventually they start wondering something important. If this is how manifestation works, why aren't the most successful people doing this all the time? Look at the people who naturally experience success in life. The wealthy, the socially connected, the people in loving relationships, the ones who seem confident and comfortable in their own skin. Most of them aren't constantly practicing techniques. They're just living. They wake up, they go about their day, they make decisions naturally, and yet opportunities, connections, money, and results keep appearing. Why? Because their identity is already stabilized. Their nervous system already accepts certain outcomes as normal. Money is normal. Love is normal. Success is normal. So life organizes around those assumptions without constant effort. This is exactly what anchors do. Anchors operate at the subconscious level, where identity is formed. Once an identity becomes anchored, the mind no longer needs constant reinforcement. You don't have to pretend to be someone else. You don't have to perform positivity. You don't have to force belief. You simply get to be yourself. And from that natural state, life begins reflecting the identity that's been stabilized beneath the surface. Think about it. When the musician signs to a label, they don't wake up every morning affirming, "I'm a signed artist." They just are. When the athlete joins the team, they don't visualize being on the roster. They just are. The anchor locked in the identity, and from that anchor, everything flows naturally. This is why the universal name ledgers exist, to anchor identity rather than requiring endless techniques. When your name is officially added and you are part of this collective, your identity stabilizes. When your identity stabilizes, your signal stabilizes. And when your signal stabilizes, life begins adjusting to match it. The goal isn't to spend your life managing your mindset. The goal is to stabilize an identity that allows life to work naturally, to finally stop pretending, to finally stop forcing, to finally just be you and have that be enough.